Hello everyone, I am Reena and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. In this video, I'm going to show a vegan recipe, Thai Dum Aloo. Yes, you heard me. I made it twice in a week. That's how good this experiment turned out to be. Does it sound interesting? Well, you'll have to watch the video till the end to find out. And if you do find it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, I already have boiled and peeled baby potatoes, which I'll just lightly poke about 3 times, like this. Make sure the oil is hot enough to fry, and fry these baby potatoes on medium flame. Turn them after a minute and make sure the potatoes don't break. Keep turning every few seconds and fry until they are golden brown, just like this. I have some whole spices here, 5 cloves, 10 whole black pepper, 5 green cardamom, half teaspoon of cumin, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 1.5 teaspoon of fennel seeds. In a non-stick pot, add the whole spices. Also add 3 to 4 cashews and roast on low-medium flame for about 35 seconds. Don't over roast it or it'll give a bitter taste in the gravy. You can find all these whole spices in a local Indian grocery store. If you don't have the whole spices at home, then you can use garam masala. It doesn't include fennel seeds, which is the key whole spice in this recipe. Then grind the whole spices in a grinder, which I'll show you guys later what it looks like. In the same pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up and then add half teaspoon of asafoetida, which is easily available in your local Indian grocery store. Also add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, which is optional. This is for color in the gravy. And then add 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. Adding water will prevent spices from burning. By the way, someone else is cooking and I'm just providing instructions. Now reduce the flame so it doesn't splatter all over. But keep stirring occasionally. Then add 1 grated small piece of ginger. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe and hit that notification bell to check out new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit that like button. Cook the tomato paste till the oil is separated, like this. Time to add other spices. Here goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust it according to your spice level. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now this is what grinded whole spices would look like. Let's just add all of it and mix it really well. Traditionally, Dum Aloo recipe have a yogurt-based gravy. Aloo means potatoes and dum means to cook slowly at low flame in a gravy. Again, add a splash of water so the raw spices doesn't burn. Since this recipe is gonna be a vegan recipe, substitute yogurt with 1 can, which is 13.5 ounce of coconut milk, and add 1/4 cup of water with it. Mix it really well, and trust me, no one will be able to tell that you have not used yogurt. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, or add as per your taste. Also add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's mainly needed to mimic the sourness like yogurt. Give it a stir and taste to see if you need more salt or lemon juice. Now add the fried potatoes. Just mix it a little and turn the flame on low. Put the lid on. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep checking every few minutes and give it a stir. Let's put the lid back on and cook for a few more minutes. Alright, I cooked the gravy and the fried potatoes in it for 15 minutes. Looks like it's cooked good, as you can see the slight oil on top. Turn off the flame and let's take it out in a bowl. Lightly sprinkle some paprika on it. Garnish with some chopped cilantro. Vegan Thai Dum Aloo is ready. You can enjoy it with naan or rice. How will you know the taste if you don't give it a try? I would highly recommend to try out this recipe, and don't forget to tag Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to Flamboyant Flavors to check out my future videos. That's all, folks. See you in the next video. Bye bye, butterflies.